guys, and welcome to this another video on ACOnetwork. Today I am presenting to you Mozilla Firefox Quantum, basically how to find it, download it and install it. All the links and stuff, information, timings of this video, everything is in the description below this video. But before I start all this stuff, don't forget to subscribe, click bell icon to get notified about new videos. If you like the video, click thumbs up. If you did not, thumbs down. And of course, share with others so others can learn too. And let's start learning. So very first thing is to have the installation file for Mozilla Firefox web browser. But if you already have it, then just go skip this first part of the video. But if you do not have it, then follow my lead. So to download this installation file, we need internet and website of Mozilla Firefox download web page. To open up web page, we need some web browser. It doesn't matter which one. Opera, like in my case here, Opera, or Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge, or not recommended version of Internet Explorer. Use whatever you want, but Internet Explorer I do not recommend. That is old web browser, buggy, etc. So, because you may have only Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer on your computer, I will just open up Microsoft Edge. And again, you can use whatever web browser you want. Over here, you can go and follow my lead by searching inside Google search engine, or use whatever search engine you want, or you can just go description below and just click the link and just skip this first part, which is how to find on the internet Firefox web browser page. Just in search box of your favorite web browser sorry guys, just type in search box of your favorite search engine Firefox or Mozilla Firefox, whatever, press enter key on the keyboard and here it is, the results. And very first one is download Firefox, mozilla.org. Just click on it. And this is the website that you have in the description below this video, where you can download the web browser. So, basically, if you want to install it on your computer in the language that this website is, in my case it is English, then just click download now. But if you want to determine, let's say select another operating system or another language, or maybe if you want for 32-bit operating system, then we will click download in another language. So when you click on it, you get to this website where you can select what you want to download. So first one, which browser would you like to download? Leave it Firefox. If you know what other versions are, then you know what to download, but for most users, just select Firefox, that is it. Then select your preferred installer. Select your preferred installer. It automatically detected that I have 64-bit operating system. If you have 32-bit operating system or 64, you can find out in different methods. If you want to know how, there is a link below this video in the description. And I will leave it at 64. You can also download MSI if you know what it is, but I will leave it at 64-bit only. Select your preferred language, select whatever language you want, Czech, English, British, let's say I will select, and when you're done selecting, just click download now button. And here I can save it or run it. If I click save, like I did right now, I will save it to the folder, download folder defined inside your web browser. And run means that it will download in temporary Windows folder and then it will run it automatically. So I rather click save and manually run it after that, because later on if I want to, let's say, move this installation to USB key or delete it or whatever, I can just go to download folder and just do whatever I want. But it does not automatically open the file. As you see here, Firefox 68.0.1 finished downloading. Now I will click run. I can also click open folder if I want to move it right away, but I will just click run. And I will close this Microsoft Edge, and as you see, web browser installer is running. So there is some information, so if you want to read it, just read it, but I will just click next because I do not want to. Here you can select on standard. Firefox will be installed with the most common options. For most basic users that is completely okay, and installation would be faster because you do not get to select all these maybe additional advanced settings. But in my case, to complicate things a little bit, and if you want to customize your installation, I will just click custom circle and then click next. Over here you can select where to install the web browser. You just click browse, select where you want to install it, and when you are satisfied, I'm satisfied with this default location, I'll just click next. Over here, install maintenance servers, that is for maintaining the Firefox. If you want to install it, leave it checked. I will leave it checked, then click next when you're done. Here, create icons for Firefox on my desktop. So if you want on desktop automatically generated shortcut, then this checkbox must be checked, just like this. And in my submenu programs folder, that is over here, I want it. So both of these I will leave it checked. Click next. And now it is time to install it. Click on install and that's it. So it will need a little bit of while to install depending on your computer performance. And when it is installed, as you see, Firefox is on the desktop. If this is checked, that means that when you click finish, it will automatically open up Mozilla Firefox web browser. But if it is unchecked, it will just close the installation and no action will be done after that. But in my case, I want to run it and then just click finish and the web browser will open up. If your computer is slow, it may take a longer time to open up, so be patient. And that's it. We installed, now you can start using it. One another thing, if you want me to make a video about customizing some basic stuff, these bookmarks bar, to how to show it, how to customize the icons here, etc., just type everything below this video in the comment section. Yes. Okay, that was it for today. If you did not understood something, want to ask me something, want to say hi, whatever, type everything below this video in the comment section. So until next time, have a blast and see ya. Bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.